The first thing you're going to want to get is a screwdriver and a hammer, and then you're going to try to find the master link. And then once you find the master link, you put a screwdriver up against the clip and then use a hammer to try to hit it off from the back end. Once you get the link off, there should be 4 circular pieces of rubber, but on this one there isn't. To take off the master link, you just pull from the backside. Putting on the master link is fairly easy as well. First, all you have to do is slide it through, but make sure you have all the 4 circular pieces of rubber on, or it will not work properly and you'll have too much play in the chain. So on this one, I try to do it without a pair of pliers, but I've noticed with a pair of pliers it's a lot easier. You'll see later I use the pliers to pinch it to try to open up a wider space to get the link through. Once you have a wide enough space to put the link through, you can use the screwdriver to push it on. You will not need the hammer. It should be able to be done by hand. Always make sure to put the open end of the clip against the rotation of the chain. If it's with the rotation of the chains, there's a chance of catching it.